Nah. You gotta come over here, B.
It's light right here.
Nah, it don't matter. I got a light on the camera.
White Castle Burger.
But anyway, now she has said some shit like she's gonna stop being bitchy to us. Yeah, whatever, Jay.
Word.
You want a vent? Come on, son.
Let me tell you about this bitch, son. She got 4 rolls like a pack of hot dogs from Nathan's.
Ah, we just came from Nathan's.
Okay.
Hold on. We just came from Nathan's. Nah, son. Damn. You know how much this shit cost? $8. Hey.
We went to Six Flags. She said she got money. She couldn't afford a $51 trip.
Woo! Get him.
What?
Get him.
Broke.
Woo!
You fat.
Oh.
Yo, pussy is wet.
Ah, Darius. You care to confirm that? You want to confirm that? Like Madden, right? Hold on, you care to confirm that?
That's a tech. That's a technical foul.
That's a tech. Mars a text.
Tucker, you want to ride? You want to ride? Oh, you want to ride? Hey. You want to ride? He's like,
They gonna say, you say you in a ride? Oh shit! Oh, he was dead. Like,
come back to me, get a $10 Metro card, get your ass to the corner and work my money, son.
Oh.
And stop fucking my brother. Okay.
Nah, you heard that?
That's it. I heard that.
Oh my God, nah, man, we got it. Get it.
Okay, Sabrina didn't come.
Fuck you.
Quez didn't come.
Fuck you.
Boy didn't come.
Fuck you.
Today's didn't come.
Fuck you.
Soldier, you weren't invited, but you didn't come.
Bullet!
Well, I'll get off the train with that one, man.
Oh, these niggas is bugging.
Tipsy, you didn't come.
Whoa, Tip.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
The only way I don't get a fuck you is this.
Victor, you don't get a fuck you because Frank is the nigga.
Nah,
And
Vic
we
is on it right
understand
now.
you had certain conditions to understand. You are okay.
Who?
Okay, Victor, you are fine.
Yeah.
We love you.
Yeah.
Crack in the flesh.
Yeah.
Ducky!
Hey! Oh yeah, them 3 girls ain't come fuck me.
Three bitches you was gonna bring? Fuck you. He was coming, my brother. Fuck you.
Who?
Samantha and her friends. Fuck you.
Fuck them
you.
stupid bitches.
Hey, I really want to fuck you. I really want to fuck you. I'm dead serious. Let's make a music video right now. Let's go. Fade it out.
What?
Okay, what you gonna say?
I'm sorry that we're so harsh on you guys. It's just that you told us you were coming.
Yeah.
Come on, man. I got one thing to say, son.
Yeah.
On the last beach tape, right?
Yeah.
Since y'all on the top of the silica, yo, why she even come and try to put a bathing suit on, son? That bitch is like a walrus.
Get him!
With them rolls, son. Why you act like that, son? You nothing, son.
Steamrollers! What we got there?
Steamrollers!
Steamrollers!
Stop talking about it. That's wrong.
What? Oh.
Now you was going in the mode.
All right, that's it. That's it.
Oh, after you said what you said, we gotta stop.
That's it. That's stop. That's it. Come on, let's go to keep going.
We're gonna stop talking about something.
I gotta cry.
Word. She can talk about us all she wants. It's okay.
No, you got 2 takes about these things. No, I don't think that makes up so special. What we do is so far. Oh my God, leave that bitch alone.
He's recording this shit.
Hold on, what she leave that boy leave that one alone? Leave that bitch alone, right?
She leave MySpace boys alone. Stop adding them on MySpace and thinking you got a hustle. You don't get nothing.
Hey, you good.
Damn.
Get down, lay down, bitch! Boom, boom, boom! Yeah, he's smiling now. He's smiling now.
Yo, this is I'll beat my wife and my girlfriend up production.
Ah! Get him!
And I get some head after that. After that, take you to Rock Playland. Playland in Kings Plaza.
Oh.
They got some head.
And then kick down, made her walk on white. Whitestone.
Thursday.
How you walk this dick all the way home, nigga? You believe
How
that?
you walk from Whitestone, son?
You don't got $2 for the bus? I got a Metro card, man. Any day of the week, it's when you need a Metro card, man, you know, just call me. It got $10 on it. If you need a ride, alright? You can't afford it, it's okay, baby. You understand? You know, we got welfare, we got programs for people that need help.
I'm not. I ain't got money like I ain't got money because I ain't got a job. But I had money. I could get money. Me too. You said you was fooling. Did she not say?
Gonna wrap it up, son.
Wait, no, we coming back. Before you talk shit, son, get some new pair of felines, nigga.
Oh.
my God.
And make sure Sharon don't buy it.
We don't win.
No motherfucking $20 sneakers. Now you gotta get it from another person, mother. That's crazy.
That's not balling, honey.
Hey, yeah, how you get it from Snuggles' mother?
Yo, I'm sorry you got shot with a discount rap for $19.99 sneakers.
Yeah, you did. You was asleep and he had to wake up, roasted some more. Like, this nigga's hungry today. I ain't even talking about Popeye, this nigga's hungry. My baby's falling off.
So your domes are scared of your ass cheeks. Pull up your butt.
What?
Oh, that shit. Leave that alone, baby.
Nah, you gotta catch it. Nah, so we making this shit hot. Nah, we making this the hottest tape we got, B.
Yo, on the street, I ain't saying no names right now, son, but I gotta see something strong cause I feel this is me. So anybody that watch this tape, yo, before you wear a weave, son, get that shit wax, baby. Get that shit. I ain't saying no names though. I'm not saying no names. I ain't saying no names though. Yo, this is the kid Jaquan. Get paid every Thursday, son. I get paid every Thursday, son. My checks keep me happy, keep my mom happy, and get my brothers some speakers sometime. Let me tell you something.
Maybe once every 5 months.
Let me say one more thing, son. I ain't saying no names.
Why does the camera stay on me?
I ain't saying
The camera loves me.
Go ahead. You ain't saying no names? You ain't saying no names?
I ain't saying no names though, boy, yo. Boy, you ain't some.
If you don't say no names, ain't no point to say it.
Oh, I'm saying names then, nigga.
Then don't say it. Don't have names.
Nah.
Well, they should get
But wait, his first, I'm not saying no name. Just stop wearing weave at all.
Hold on, time out. Who be wearing weave?
Wait, before the chick that said Dante, you know.
Who? Oh, we ghosting them.
Oh, I know he's up.
What?
That's all you have to get it, though. I know you fix, son. I know you fix.
What?